Hi, this is Kavya here. I want to introduce myself to be part of Manoj's teachings. I started my life's journey with GG teachings. It has changed my life for the past 1.5 months. Instantly, when I started the practice of GG teachings in 1 week's time, my life changed. I realized what I was searching deeply. This led me to move forward in my life, thinking that this is something which I was searching, searching I could say, from very long time. Then I decided to learn all the teachings by Manoj's guidance and to have further journey with Manoj and the newfound family. It never felt that it is a newfound family, but I feel that it's like we all knew each other, we all know each other, and we will be. So here, the Mind Liberation Control, MLC, has given me so many techniques to live life smoothly and confidently. I saw myself how smoothly I'm blossoming, how every petal of this lotus flower is opening up. Manoj makes every one of us to take out our hidden treasures from us. I saw every person, in each person I saw these openings. We ourselves never knew that we have these many talents in us, inside us. This gave me life. I feel I'm alive, and I see I have so many talents in me. I created my life, and I'm creating my life. I changed my life. Thank you for these techniques. These techniques have helped me to harmonize with self, with myself, family members, neighbors, my colleagues, and it has led me to live life peacefully in the society, in the environment. It just connects to the nature. What I did not see in 10 years of my experience, 10 years, I'm telling you seriously, 10 years, which I was searching from very long time, from my spiritual mentor, who was my past ex-guru, and the fellow mates, and others. I saw that here, in Manoj's teaching, his guidance, and it was just like a piece of cake, which was ready for me to be taken, and I took, and I experienced this, and I'm experiencing this. I'm so happy. If you would have seen me just 3-4 months back, I was bedridden. My health had fallen so badly down that I thought, itna sab kuch karke bhi. But the tremendous changes, experience it, see it, use these techniques, you will see what it is. He has taught us how to be, I learned it, I'm telling you, how to live life joyfully, healthy, happily, successfully with all beings, all livings. Respect all, love all, and blessings to all. Manoj encourages to have faith in self, in the future of our world, and humanity as a world, as a whole. Our abilities and life's mission to be utilized for the good of all by keeping positive attitude about ourselves, others, and the world in order to manifest peace, love, and harmony. Thank you. Blessings to all. I love you. Thank you.